Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy new year guys. So in this video guys, I'm just going to do a short video about this app that I've talked about before. The name of the app is Wful, and you don't need to stress yourself on how you're going to get the app. I'm going to leave the link on the description of the video. So guys, if you're new on my channel, you're seeing my video for the first time, or you're watching my video for the first time, make sure you watch the video until the end. And if this is the kind of content you're looking for, how to make money online tutorials, then you are at the right place. If you're new, my name is Cynthia, and for my returning subscribers and for my new subscribers, thank you so much guys, I really appreciate. So the name of the app is Wful. Remember, the link will be on the description of the video, and I'm also going to pin it on the comment section. So the name of the app is Wful guys. On this app, it's just a social media app like any other social media app like Facebook or Twitter or even TikTok. And something good or an advantage on this app is that they will not look for those big number of followers or subscribers for them to start paying you. They will start paying you for just becoming their creator.
Did you know
How
that
do you
sometimes what
become
you
their
think is
creator,
gold?
content creator? I mean, you have to do the following guys for you to become a content creator on this app, and let me just take you through on how to become their creator. So there is something they call super likes. You can see right here, you can see what they have written, how you will get paid monthly on this app. It's a social media app known as Wful. So Wful shares 50% of its earnings to creators like you based on how much users interact and your views. Become a creator to withdraw your earnings. You get it guys? So start earning. See your earnings grow as your Wful profile also grow. You can learn more there. And monetize super likes. Withdraw at the end of the month super likes earnings. So guys, you earn super likes, people can give you super likes. They're just like Facebook, we have stars, and on TikTok we have gifts. So here on this app known as Wful, we have super likes. So super likes is what someone reward you or gift you when they like your content or picture or anything. So good thing with this, they can reward you when they like your picture or content you create or even your video. So you can see one super like is equal to 0.14 cents. I mean, one super like is equal to 14 cents. I hope now I'm clear. One super like is equal to 14 cents. So if you want to become a creator, you can become a creator by just getting 5 super likes. You can see I'm having 1 out of 5, and I'm yet to reach there. And soon, once I've reached the requirements, I'll upload a video about it. And again, you can also become a creator and earn monthly by just getting views and other things. You will need to invite 15 friends. You can see I have 7 already, so I'm just remaining with 8 to acquire the number of invites that are required to so that they can approve me as their content creator. So guys, this is so good as compared to other to YouTube or Facebook. You have to have like 10,000 followers. On YouTube, you have to have like 1,000 subscribers. So this one, so long as you have super likes, 5 super likes, they will approve you as their content creator. Or you can also become their content creator by just having 15 friends. Remember, this is working everywhere, I think globally, if I'm not wrong. And you can invite your friend. It's free to join. You don't need to pay for anything. You just get your invite link, then click here invite. So if you invite your 15 or 20 friends, they'll approve you as their content creator, and you'll start earning monthly from this app without limits. So guys, that is it, that is everything. If you want me to upload a video talking on how to upload pictures or videos on this social media site known as Wful, then you can also let me know on the comment section. If you haven't subscribed until now, kindly subscribe, like the video, and see you in my next video. Enjoy your hair, everybody.